Hello, this is Guelph Me. I own this French door Samsung fridge about 8 years. Today I'm going to share with you what I did to permanently fix this not cooling, ice buildup, and making the noise. At the end of this video, I will give you a tip how to verify the sound coming from the evaporator fan here. Please leave the comment, hit the like button, and subscribe. Thank you.
Use the small flat screwdriver to pop out the small cover to expose the screw. And unscrew the 4 screws. Remember, the 2 screws in the middle is the longer one. On both sides are shorter one when you put it back. Remember that. After you take off the screws, shake the back panel gradually, and there is tabs on the both sides. You gradually shake and take it out. And there is 2 connectors on the upper left corner. Press the tab on the connector and take it out. You can see there's no ice buildup here. In order to solve no cooling, ice buildup, and making the noise, what I did is about a year and a half ago, I installed a 1 heater, 15 watts. I ordered it from Amazon. You can see I wrap it up around the upper part of the evaporator, especially here, because most of the time the ice will build up here, and the ice is in the way of the evaporator fan, causing a lot of noise. You can see I cut the wire. This wire is the defrost heater wire. And then I use this wire splice connector. I crimp the wire together, and then I put heat shrink tube. I caulk. And after I caulking it, they will prevent moisture from coming in. I did the same side here. I use the splice connector and caulk this. And since then, there's no not cooling ice buildup and making a lot of noise.
Now I'm showing how to verify the evaporator fan is working or the noise coming from the evaporator fan. So I open the door, the fan should stop, but I put the magnet here. So wait a few seconds, evaporator fan is running. Right now it's running, so you can see that the blue ribbon is shaking, and the sound is normal. If you hear the sound coming from this part, that might be the fan blade loose or the ice build up in the way of the fan's blade. Please leave the comment, click the like button, and subscribe. If you want to know how to fix the Samsung fridge, freezing the food, click this video. If you want to know how to fix the Samsung fridge water leak, click down this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.